Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Canon G3010 printer to Wi-Fi. First, ensure your printer is powered on and ready. Also, make sure your Wi-Fi router is active and broadcasting its signal. It is crucial to have your Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and its corresponding password readily available before you begin. This preparation will make the connection process much smoother and quicker for you. Next, we will use the printer's control panel. Navigate through the menu options until you find and select the Setup or Settings option. From there, you will need to choose Wireless LAN Setup or Wi-Fi Setup to proceed. Finally, select Standard Setup or Easy Setup to initiate the connection process. This guides the printer to look for available networks. Now, your printer will begin scanning for all available Wi-Fi networks in its vicinity. Please wait a few moments for the list to populate on the screen. Once the list appears, use the arrow keys on your printer's panel to scroll and select your specific home Wi-Fi network, identified by its SSID. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password, also known as the network key, using the printer's keypad. After you have entered your password, confirm the settings and allow the printer a short time to establish the connection. You should see a confirmation message on the printer's screen, such as Connected or Connection Successful, indicating a successful link. To ensure everything is working perfectly, perform a quick test print from your computer or mobile device. This confirms your printer is fully connected and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.